Aw, it's so yummy! Hey, Squirrel!
Well, hello, baby pheasants. Nice to see you.
Where are you rushing off to today?
A famous magician cat is in the forest, and he's gonna put on a show. It's gonna be great. Hopefully, I'll see you there.
Wow! A magician? Mom, I want to go. Let's go.
Okay.
This is great!
Pheasants, we should use the potty before we leave.
Yeah! I don't have to use the potty.
But wait, Jack.
I'll be the first one there. Ha ha! Off to the magician!
This is gonna be so much fun.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the city, Magic Cat! Today, you'll be treated to a fantastic magic show, one you'll never forget!
Whoa!
My first trick for you, this very cane will be transformed into a handkerchief.
Wow!
Yeah! What happened? Oh, it's not working. Got a little leftover honey from lunch, sir.
That was so cool! Amazing!
Next, I've got a real treat for you all. Yeah!
I should have gone to the potty before. Whoa!
Wow, he's really floating!
Amazing!
Looks like he's already finished, but he just started floating!
I'm not surprised. Levitating must be very exhausting.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I present to you my final grand illusion, the tremendous spectacle of teleportation!
Oh, little one, why don't you go use the bathroom?
All right.
Hey, little guy, want to help me with my trick?
Me?
I can help you with your trick.
Magician, I can do it too.
I can help also!
I'll do it. I wanna.
Excellent! I will now share with you the magic of teleportation. When you step inside the cupboard... Oh, are you feeling sick?
But I really need to use the toilet.
I can help you. Observe, behind there is a secret hatch. Exit through that hatch and head right to the bathroom.
Oh, what a relief.
All right. Ha! At the count of 3, our little friend will be teleported. 1, 2... Ha! Still on 2. 3. Ta-da!
Just when he disappeared!
Yes! And next I shall have my assistant return on the count of 3. 1...
I hope Jack comes back! Mommy, did Jack really disappear?
Don't worry, Chip. I'm sure he'll be back.
2, 3...
Oh,
Ah! What is that?
What's up there?
Must have been my imagination. Well, shall we? Let's open it up. Ta-da! You've all been dazzled by the amazing Magician Cat. Thanks for coming, everyone. The Magic Cat from the big city puts on quite the show. Amazing feats, it's quite the treat. The show you never want to miss. He'll mesmerize you and hypnotize you.
How he will not
with his magic hat. Just look at that! Marvelous Magic Cat!